I grabbed some of these from the dollar store, and I'm going to be adding these in the same way I kind of do the ribbon. So, they're not wired, so they don't keep their curve as much, but I just want them to kind of peek in and out. I think they look amazing. Just going to have them kind of going down in between the ribbon. I got this awesome white faux fur ribbon from Walmart. I'm going to be making a bunch of smaller bows, like this style. Just a simple little single loop bow. So there's a loop on each side with tails. I'm going to make a bunch of little bows like this, and I'm going to be placing them into my tree. I'm probably going to do kind of long tails so they can drape down. All right, here is my tree topper bow. I'm going to tie it onto the top of the tree, and then I'm going to take my 2 picks and stab them into the top of it. Okay, so I tied on my bow to the top of the tree. I added in my 2 picks. I did one slightly higher than the other one. That way they weren't just sitting side by side. And now we're going to go ahead and add in the ornaments. I posted another video showing how I made these ornaments. Let me find them. How cute are these? It has like iridescent snow in this one, and this one's like these little like styrofoam ball iridescent glitter. Yeah, so I got these ornaments at the dollar store. Made these, and I'll put them on my tree. So I just kind of hang these wherever there's not a bow really. I'm gonna spread them all out and fill in the gaps.